Hi, my name is Dilip Thakur and welcome to my channel. And today I have brought a poem on birds, and I have written this poem keeping in mind all the different activities of birds, which are definitely different from us. They are the ones who roam in the sky. They are the ones who do not breed any ill will against anyone. So they are above all these strifes, all the quarrels that normally humans experience in their life, though humans are very, very intelligent compared to birds. But still, there are certain characteristics the birds have which we need to learn from. So I hope that you will like this poem. So the title of the poem is Birds, and here are the lines. In the sky, among all things, birds can be seen flapping wings. In the sky, among all things, birds can be seen flapping wings. To awake them up, morning sings. Sky is the kingdom, they are kings. In the sky, among all things. Any border they don't know, they fly together in a row. They are united, this they show, and seeds of enmity they never sow. Any border they don't know. So they are absolutely ignorant of any boundaries, any borders, any frontiers which normally separate humans. So they don't have any such restriction or confinements. They don't know any caste or creed. This is what they never need. Nor do they have any greed. What a wonderful life they lead. They don't know any caste or creed. In the sky or on the tree, at any cost, they want to be free. Captivity of any degree, and being in the cage, they will never agree. In the sky or on the tree. Let's learn from birds a peaceful life. No fights, no quarrels, and no strifes. They never settle scores with a knife. Revenge in their world is not also rife. Let's learn from birds a peaceful life. In their world, only musical bell rings, melody all around that it brings. In the sky, among all things, birds can be seen flapping wings. To wake them up, morning sings. Sky is the kingdom, they are kings. Sky is the kingdom, they are kings. So this was a small poem dedicated to the kings of the sky, which happen to be birds. They can fly, they can roam, and they do not know the restrictions that we humans normally put against one another. So definitely their life is much better, freer than our own life, more melodious, more delightful than our own life. So that's why we need to learn from their life, from their lifestyle, and we should try to adopt it in our life so that we can lead an equally peaceful and a prosperous life. So this was the poem about birds. If you have liked this poem, then please like this video and do let me know how you found it, and share it with as many people as possible, and do subscribe to our channel, because I'm going to put many such videos in the future and you will definitely get to know about them first. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Goodbye.